Let's cut loose.
Good! You chose your position!
Wanna chat?
I have nothing to say to you.
Ready? Go wild! Area has changed!
Difficult, huh?
I'll teach you the power of a real hero.
Over here. I'll cremate you. There. Level up. See ya. An enemy attack. Annoying. Not yet. How's that? Can you handle it?
Hallmarks of violence.
I'll head here. You're not half bad.
Level up.
Let us combine our strength.
Can anyone use this?
Till the safe area
Level up.
moves! You'll get
Save
swallowed
this
up.
for you.
I don't feel blessed.
Find her deeper!
Level up. Oh. Level up.
There is an item here.
I'll
Please
take
use it.
this.
Hey. You're nothing. There. Difficult, huh? Did it work? Here it comes. All right. Just a nobody. You can't take
Everyone
it.
is in the safe area. Surely due to proper guidance.
Hey. See ya.
An item. Pick it up.
All right.
Blinding light.
Oh. Level up. Where you going? Yeah. Level up. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Burn in hell. Level up. Level up.
The safe area has changed! I'll hit you up when it's gonna move.
An item. Pick it up.
There, I see trash. Should I
Understood.
burn it?
I shall accept.
Level up.
There's keepers!
Incinerate. Over here.
Precision.
Level up. Keep it up.
Safe area moves! Check on your
Trash. Got you. How's that? Yeah.
I punished one of
I'll teach you the power of a real hero.
Garbage.
them. I'm out of recovery items.
Incinerated.
Let us
Hey.
combine our strength to win.
Where you going? Pillar of flames. Not yet. Level up. Nobody. Can anyone use this?
Thank you very much.
All right.
An item. Pick it up.
There.
Cut. Try to endure.
There is an item
Level
here.
up.
Please use
Not
it.
bad. You did well.
Silence.
Level up. No mercy.
We're being attacked by an enemy.
Got you. They're so naive. I got ya. With this,
Thank you very much.
turn to ash. So naive. You can't take it.
Not yet.
Here it comes. Can you dodge this? Here.
Not yet.
Trash. Save this for you. Too bad. Where you going? Turn to ash. Got you.
Away.
Trash. No sweat.
Thank you very much.
No mercy.
The safe area changes in 30 seconds. Be a good hero. That's all.
I won't hold back!
Hey. So naive. Alright.
We must decide whether or not to go retrieve those items.
You didn't take no mercy. I'll light you up.
Some allies have not made it to the safe area.
Get charged. Turn to ash. You should give up. Where are you going? I'll light you up. Turn to ash. Don't try anything.
I punished one of the sinners.
I'm fired up. Here it comes.
Half of the teams remain. There's no telling who will win this.
Save this for you. Anyone use this? Fire! That's all you got?
Got any more recovery items?
You can't take it. Can you dodge this?
Got any more recovery items?
Turn to ash. No mercy.
Thank you very much.
Where are you going? Keep it up. Seriously? There. Garbage. Here it comes. Where are you going? Can you dodge this?
The safe
You
area
can't
changes
take
in
it.
30 seconds. Be a good hero and hustle.
You think you got me? Got you. Here it comes. Nobody's in the safe area. Better hurry. You think you got me? Get charged plus chaos.
I'm out of recovery items.
Pillar of flames! You can't take it. Not bad. Good work. You did well.
Let us combine our strengths.
Coming at you. Where are you going? I'll light you up. There. Got you. So naive. There. No mercy.
If you want to claim that, do it now.
To ash. Save this. Seriously? You can't take it.
Not yet.
Too late. Where you going? Got you.
Stay on your toes. Moves in 30 seconds. I repeat, 30
How
seconds.
simple.
This is nothing. Pathetic. I'm down.
Not yet. Protect us. Determination. I've been struck down.
I'll save you.
I must repay this debt. Thank you very much.
Seriously? Someone's getting a crazy amount of life.
Pathetic. I'm down. Nicely done. I'll roast you! Silence! Thank you.
I'm out of recovery items.
That's enough!
Only 2 teams left.
Burn away!
And done victorious. Seriously? Someone's getting a crazy amount of life.
Right! I'll save you.
I must repay this debt.
Is that the best you've got? I'll roast you! What did you... Ultra! Silence! Start this!
I offer thanks and gratitude for such wonderful deeds.
Now these are some fighters who know their stuff!
Stay out of my
Let
way.
us aim to whip pitiful lamb, pitiful lamb.
The world can be changed by will alone. This looks useful.